Good evening. Welcome to the demo video of Sentinel Takeaway Restaurant. This video is a brief video showing how you can make the meal deals and how you can link the sub menus with the product. If you want to see a detailed menu or if you want to see a detailed manual for Sentinel hospitality software, then look our other videos on YouTube, which is about 45 minutes long, and it explains other features of Sentinel ePos software as well. So in this video, I'll quickly cover that. For example, if you want to make a section with meal deal, so I'll first make the meal deal section. So I'll go to the category and I add a new category called meal deal. Make sure it's active, save. So now the new category is made. If you see the meal deal categories here, which is empty. Now, assuming we have a meal deal where customer can buy any two pizza like margherita or chicken pizza for £3, any two pizza, and it comes with a drink option as well. One can of drink and two pizza. So we want to link two categories with this button. One is the pizza category, so the customer can choose which pizza they want, and then one with the drink category, so they can choose the drink as well. So first we will make a meal deal. We will go to product, meal deal category. We add a meal deal called any two pizzas, and we will give a price. So the meal deal price is, for example, 3.49, and press save and close. So now if we go back on a meal deal section, we have a product called any two pizza for 3.49. If we click on this product, it's going into the cart. Now we want to link it with the pizza category, so customer can choose the two pizza they want and then a drink as well. So to link these products, you need to go to manager, you need to go to sub menu. In the product section, choose the category meal deal, which is a main category. Choose a product, any two pizza, and then choose the category you want to click link, which is pizza. So obviously you want to link the pizza on two clicks, because there are two selection, two choices. If there's a three pizza, then we have to do three clicks. If it's a one pizza, we can only do one as well. So in this meal deal, there are selection of two pizza. We will do choose two clicks. Then we press save. Is added in the list. Now we want to link up with a drink, so we will go to the drink category, and this time only one drink. We will press save. So now these two categories are linked. So what will happen now, if you go back to the takeaway and meal deals, and if you click on any two pizza, first it will ask the customer which two pizzas. So for example, customer is taking margherita and chicken pizza, and then it will ask for the drink. So Pepsi drink the customer is taking. For example, in this scenario, you want to charge for these selections as well. Let's say any two pizza, margherita, chicken pizza, and pizza with two topping are free. But if customer asks for a special pizza, that's £1 extra. Again, it's very easy to do. You can go into the manager, product subcategory, choose the product category again, and then meal deal two pizza. You can click on this plus sign. In the plus sign, you can tell that a special pizza is chargeable and how much you want to charge. You want to charge £1 extra for a special pizza, and press save. What will happen now? If we go back to the meal deals, we click on any two pizza, and then if we click on a special pizza, it will charge £1. If we click on chicken pizza, it won't charge anything. Finally, if you want the software to show the topping screen as well, so for example, when you're taking a meal deal, you want the software to ask what topping they want with margherita. So after every click, you want to show the topping screen. You can also link the topping screen as well. So to link the topping screen, again, you need to go to the add-on, click on this plus sign in front of pizza, and then go to manage add-on. In the manage add-on, you can do chargeable, and you can give the topping price. So for example, topping price is 50p if they want any extra topping here. Press save. Also, you can click on plus. In manage product, you can click on show topping. If you don't want to do one by one, you can simply just click on show topping and it will convert all to yes and press save. Now what will happen when you go into the meal deals, any two pizza, when you charge for margarita and chicken pizza, you can double click on it and you can open the topping and it will be charged. So it's very easy to set up. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us and then we'll see from there. Thank you.